We do it every day, every month, every year, and even every second. Yes, it's right, it's pollution. In this video, we want to discuss what is its effects, how can we control it, and many more. So before we start, do not forget to subscribe. And the first point, what are its effects? They have many effects. The main thing is human diseases. They can cause thousands of diseases and lung problems. Actually, air pollution affects the sea more than the land, as up to 15% of the carbon dioxide leaked by humans goes into the oceans. Many people first thought that this was a great thing, but actually its effects are starting to take place. One of the main effects is that carbon dioxide eats many minerals that is actually required for many animals or small creatures to grow. For example, mussels, clams, and many other things. They need a type of mineral related to calcium, and carbon dioxide and many other chemicals actually eat it, and all of these animals get weak and die. One of the biggest effects is that the smoke can spread. For example, if all the smoke came from the top part of Asia, people may think that the smoke will only stay there. But actually, due to the winds and currents, the smoke actually travels all around the world and not stay in one place. So, if there's industry in one country, it can affect all the countries. Global warming. This is a serious problem for us. It happens when the increase of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. This leads to the earth being very hot. Global warming is actually a very slow process, and we speed it up with our carbon dioxide. Naturally, it happens very slow, as due to thunder, the dry grasslands start to burn, and that also releases carbon dioxide. Now the second point, how can we control it? The most simplest way to control it is shorten our use of electricity, because one of the two main sources of electricity for us is coal and fossil fuel, and both of them releases carbon dioxide and many other things in the air. One of the other things that you can do is not use your car. You can go on walking. Some cars do not do the pollution check and releases very thick black smoke when they go. So do your pollution check, and also one of the things that you can do is use a petrol car and better an electric car so that they do not release any other smoke in the air. Now, the third point. How can you slow down global warming? There's actually many ways that you can slow down global warming. One of the ways is not to burn waste. Instead, you can make them as compost. Most of the people in the world actually burn the waste that they do not need. They can release very bad gases into the air. So do not burn waste. So this fourth point, what will happen if we don't stop polluting our environment? Temperature increase. The temperature will start increase slowly by slowly, and the earth will start heating up. Due to this rapid heating, there can be many problems, such as the glaciers will start to melt and break down. As this happens, Antarctica starts shrinking day by day due to global warming, and all the water itself goes to only one location, the seas. The sea's water level rises very rapidly and Antarctica shrinks. The water rises and flows into our countries. By the last 100 years, many countries have sank due to global warming itself. And who knows, if we continue to pollute our environment like this, one day The earth in which you're standing right now may be submerged under the ocean, and Antarctica will not be in its place.